Welcome to Korean7.com. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Today we're going to look at pure and impure substances, and there's a little bit of misconception when we talk about the pure and impure substances. So we're going to differentiate straight away between both of them. Pure substance means when you have only one type of molecule, atoms in there. So that means you can have, for example, if I say iron, pure iron metal, it is actually a pure substance. If I say oxygen, even though there are two atoms are there, it will still be considered as a pure substance. We can have CO2. Now here you have actually two different atoms joined together, but as long as you have carbon dioxide in one container, no other gas, it is still be considered as actually as a pure substance. So carbon dioxide, H2SO4, if it is pure, it will be considered as a pure substance. Now impure substance, it consists of two or more different substances. Now they are not chemically actually joined together, but it's just a mixture. They are just together, like when you make, like for example, paint has got so many different chemicals mixed together. So you will look at impure substances like for example air, which have oxygen, it has carbon dioxide, it has nitrogen and some other gases. So air itself is a mixture. They are not chemically reacting together, but they are considered as an impure substance. You can also have, for example, paint. That is considered as one of the impure substance. So impure substance is actually a mixture of different compounds or different atoms together. One of the very important one is alloys. In industry, we use alloys in terms of this impure substance. So different metals are mixed together and that will actually, they are not chemically bonded together, but obviously they are just there together, and they will have a different, for example, this is there. So if this is iron and you have a sodium, a small metal, I'm just giving an example, and then you have nickel, which is big metal. So the atomic size is different. We always mix these different metals together to actually get a desired property in terms of strength and other things. So when they are mixed together, they are not chemically bonded, but that will be called as an alloy. And an alloy is a mixture of different metals. Now let's talk about the melting point of these. Melting point will actually be lower, and it will show you a different melting point. Whenever you have a pure substance, it will have sharp melting point. So sharp means you melt it, it will tell you straight away that this is the melting point of the, for example, if you have ice will give you a sharp melting point. Iron, or for example aluminium oxide, will give you to 2800 degrees centigrade. So it's a sharp melting point as long as it's pure. For example, this is how it looks like. If it's a proper pure substance, it will straight away give you the sharp melting point. So it will have only one point where it will melt and it will then boil after. But if it is actually an impure will give you 2, 3, 4, 5 different melting points based on how many actually different substances are mixed together. So it will be like this. So it will actually melt here, and then so on and so forth. You can see that due to the impurity, for the impure substance, this is how it looks like in terms of a melting point. So this is how you're going to actually use that. So with the passage of time, you will see that it will show you a different melting point. Please look at my next video about the testing gases. Thank you.